Ever wondered how your smartphone's touchscreen works? Swipe here to find out.
Hi, I'm Shreya Rao. Whether it's physics, chemistry, or technology, I love exploring how things work and sharing that knowledge with you. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of smartphone touchscreens and discover how they work through some fun, hands-on experiments.
Modern smartphones use capacitive touchscreen technology, featuring a grid of electrodes beneath the glass surface, coated with a conductor-like substance. This layer maintains a low-voltage electrostatic field, invisible but always active. Touching the screen with your finger disrupts this field due to the conductivity from the salts and minerals in your body fluids. Let's see. Take a balloon and rub it a few times on your hair. This will transfer the charge that you hold to the balloon. Then pull it away. Notice how your hair follows the balloon. This is similar to how touchscreens detect your finger. This interaction is based on capacitance, which measures an object's ability to hold an electric charge. When touched, the screen detects a drop in voltage at that point, converting it into digital signals. The signals are processed to determine the location and type of touch, ensuring accurate responses to commands like swiping or tapping. If you wear gloves, you won't be able to use your touchscreen because there's no conduction. Let's try one more experiment to really understand this. If you touch the touchscreen with a Q-tip, it won't respond. However, let's create a DIY stylus. First, rub one end of a Q-tip with aluminum foil, then moisten the tip slightly. When you use this on your touchscreen, the foil and moist tip conduct electricity, mimicking the touch of your finger. To recap, we just learned that capacitive touchscreens harness electrostatic fields and conductivity principles to turn our simple finger taps into precise digital commands.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay curious and keep exploring the science around you.